Hello, Android users. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to uninstall apps from your Android phone or tablet. Whether you want to free up space, declutter your app drawer, or remove unused apps, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Using the Google Play Store, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device, tap the profile icon at the top right corner, select Manage Apps Devices from the menu, find the app you want to uninstall and tap on it. Finally, tap Uninstall and confirm by pressing Uninstall. Using System Settings, open Settings on your phone, tap on Apps or Apps Notifications, depending on your device. Look for the app you want to remove, tap Uninstall and confirm. When prompted, reinstalling apps. If you accidentally uninstall an app you need, don't worry, you can always reinstall it from the Google Play Store without purchasing it again.